Hi friends, today we'll discuss about object store in MuleSoft, and this is to store the simple key values into object store. And for this we need to have the object store connector. We can install it from the exchange. See, I have installed, and this is the object store component, and these are the operations we can perform on the given data objects. See here, just I have taken HTTP listener to make a request, and it will invoke the flow. And here what I have did is just I have taken the from the object store, I have taken the store operation, so we can store the key value data objects into this object store. Okay, see, let me see here. The key I have taken a simple order ID, some name I have given. You can give any name, sample or key 1 or anything you can give. See, in the value I have given payload. If you want to store any specific data, payload dot some sample data, or payload dot name or payload dot employee ID you can give. Otherwise, if you have any specific data available in the request parameters, query parameters or URI parameters, you can tag from the headers also. You can give those details in the value. Okay, that is the storing part. See here, yeah, nothing to do. Simply we have to, if you want, you can fill. Actually I am using community version, so you can simply give blank, no problem. See, after that, see, retrieve. See, this is the retrieve. I have taken one more flow to retrieve the whatever we have saved into the object store. I am with that key, I am retrieving the data. I have another listener is there, HTTP listener, and here just we have given the key. Above we have with the key we have stored the payload, right? So with that key we are getting the data from the object store. Okay, let me open the console. Actually my application is running. See, this is the, see, I have given store. See, let me make a request. Yeah, object stored into memory. Go here, see here, this is the listener, this is the store path, and with the key order ID it is storing into this key, and the same key we have used in the retrieve section. See, this is the, see, let me open, and see, this is the path retrieve. Okay, we'll make a with the with that listener will make request. See, now we able to get the data. See, this data is, see, if you are confused, let me delete this one. See, we'll get it from object store, this data. We nothing did anything. See, if you want to make another request, you can make 23 milliseconds, 200. Okay, any number of times you can make, it will retrieve from object store. See, simple. We have taken only listener and store. Here just I have given some static data, object stored into memory. Then we have another flow, HTTP listener and retrieve. Just based on the key it will retrieve from the object store. That's it. Thank you guys. For more information, watch my videos.